A lot of people ask me, if I join today, how much can I really earn? The answer might surprise you because in this business, your income is in your hands, not in your boss. Hi, my name is Mark, so I'm happy to answer your question for today. So this question is from one of our client from PG Island. So question number one, if you register today, August 12, when you receive your first commission. Question number two, what you mean potential income? So those question is the one to answer today. Let's proceed in the first question. If you register today, August 12, when you receive your first commission. First of all, I want to explain to you everything. I want you to understand about how it works, this system. Okay? So, to answer your question. So, for you to start earning commission this platform, you need to apply the four-step system. So, what is the four-step system and how it works? Okay, let me explain to you. So in the four step system, first step you need to do is to register in our system. When you register, you open your business and MSI digital system. That's the first system, or that's the first step that you need to take. Okay? Step number two, you need to sell. So this means your job here is to sell to sell everything that we have, products, package. Your first commission, this is the answer of your question. Your first commission start once you sell your first package. Okay, for example, if you register today, August 12, and you make a sales tomorrow, you already earn qualify for your first commission. And you get your first commission in the next day. So let me explain to you how much your commission and how much you're gonna get if you sell. Okay? And what you gonna sell. So what you're gonna sell here is package. As you see in your screen, when you sell one package, we have a four kinds of package. The first package, let's say the smallest package, when you sell your smallest package, option one, let's say called package one, when you sell package one, you're gonna earn 200 PG dollar. When you sell package two, more bigger, you're gonna earn 400 PG dollar. When you sell package three, you're gonna earn 800 PG dollar. When you sell package four, you're gonna earn 1,200 PG dollar. As your potential income, it's unlimited, depends in your effort. In MSI Digital System, you earn 200 PG dollar for every direct referral who buys packages. Okay, plus you're gonna get extra commission later on if you sell two package. Okay, so what if my clients is don't have enough money? Okay, so that's what we're talking about in the next slide. Okay, so here, brother and sister, you can do the business as part-time. So even you're working, you're gonna earn a commission by selling the package or selling the products. So the next slide, if your clients don't have enough money and they want only to buy the products, the question is, can I still earn a commission? Yes. Every product you sold, you're gonna earn a commission. So let's say the complete product, as you see in your screen, you see this complete the color yellow. So the price of these products, one box, 30 capsule good for 1 month is 73 PG dollar. Now, when you are already registered in our system, you're gonna get a 25% commission, 25% discount. So this means you're gonna buy this product only 53 PG dollar and you're gonna sell it 73 PG dollar. So per box, you have commission of 20 PG dollar. If you sell 10 bucks, you're gonna earn 200 PG dollar. So that's how it works. So it means you earn here by commission. Okay? So let's proceed in the question number two. Question number two, what you mean about potential income? Okay, I'm happy to answer this. When I say potential income, let's say 200 PG dollar up to 1,200 PG dollar, I mean that based on your activity in your first month. You could earn everywhere in that range, say 200 PG dollar or 1,200 PG dollar would be if you make just a few sales, you get and 1,200 PG dollar, you would be if you actively promoting, remember this, if you actively promote and help your team to grow, it's not a fixed salary. It depends how much effort you put into selling package and building your network. Okay, so this means the potential income is not yet money. You need to know what is your job, what's your activity every day. Okay, third question. I don't want to sell. Okay, this mostly I receive from every my client. I don't want to sell. I don't want to sell products. I don't want to sell package. Even I don't want to show my face in Facebook. What I'm gonna do? Can I still earn commission? Yes, I have a system. I call this automation system. An automation system that sells for you even while you're asleep. So this means, brother and sister, even you're not selling, even you're not selling products or package, you can still earn commission. But you need to apply the automation system. Okay, automation system means artificial intelligence the one to selling for you. How you can do that? I have a system. So the moment you already start in this platform, we're gonna talk about how you can set up your automation system and how you can make money even you're sleeping. Again, my name is Coach Mark. I'm happy to assist you and see you in my next video. In the next video, we're talking about how you can register in this platform. Don't forget to follow me or subscribe me in this YouTube account. See you!